Mastering the art of peaceful studying with focus, tips and tricks. A student is sitting at a desk, surrounded by books and notes, looking stressed out and anxious. Studying can be a challenging task for many students. With distractions everywhere, it's easy to lose focus and become overwhelmed. However, there are ways to make studying a peaceful and productive experience. Serene environment, such as nature or a quiet library. First, find a peaceful environment. A calm atmosphere can help you focus and retain information better. Whether it's a quiet library or your own personal sanctuary, create a space that promotes concentration. Student organizing their study materials. Next, organize your study materials. This means having all your books, notes, and supplies in one place. A cluttered workspace can be distracting, so keep everything organized and tidy. Student taking breaks and engaging in physical activity. Third, take breaks. Studying for hours on end can be exhausting and counterproductive. Take small breaks every hour or so to stretch your legs or engage in physical activity. This can help clear your mind and rejuvenate your focus. Student using technology to aid in studying. Fourth, use technology to your advantage. There are countless apps and websites designed to help students study more effectively. From flashcard apps to study playlists, technology can be a valuable tool in your studying arsenal. Student implementing all the tips and studying peacefully. Lastly, remember that peaceful studying takes practice. Don't get discouraged if you don't see immediate results. Keep implementing these tips and soon enough you'll be studying with focus and peace of mind. The same student from the opening shot is now studying peacefully and confidently, with a smile on their face. By following these simple tips and tricks, you can master the art of peaceful studying with focus.